Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to make money on Clickbank for free. If you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing without upfront costs, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through every step, from setting up your account to generating free traffic and optimizing for conversions. Let's get started. Clickbank is one of the oldest and largest affiliate marketplaces online. It connects product creators with affiliates who want to promote their products and earn commissions. It's particularly popular for digital products like ebooks, online courses, and software, often in the health, fitness, and self-help niches. At its core, Clickbank acts as an intermediary. Product owners list their products, and affiliates choose which ones to promote. When an affiliate generates a sale through their unique tracking link, Clickbank handles the transaction and pays out a commission to the affiliate. Commissions can be very high, often ranging from 50% to 75%, because most products are digital. The potential for making money online with Clickbank is significant, especially because you don't need your own product. You're leveraging existing products and earning a share of the profits. This makes it an ideal entry point for beginners who want to build an online income stream without the complexities of product creation, inventory, or customer service. The first step to making money with Clickbank is setting up your account. It's a straightforward process, and best of all, it's completely free. You'll need to provide some basic personal information and agree to their terms and conditions. To register, go to the Clickbank website and click Sign Up. You'll fill in your country, name, phone number, email, and create a password. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any issues with payouts later on. Once you submit, you'll receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions to activate your account. Once your account is set up, log into your Clickbank dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your affiliate activities. You'll see various menus and options, including your earning snapshot, reporting tools, and the marketplace link where you'll find products to promote. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the interface. Finding profitable products is crucial for your success on Clickbank. You want to look for products that are in demand, offer high commissions, and have good conversion rates. Clickbank provides several metrics to help you evaluate products, but the most important one for beginners is gravity. The Clickbank marketplace is where you'll find all the products available for promotion. You can browse by category, use the search bar, or sort by different metrics. Focus on categories you have some interest or knowledge in, as this will make content creation easier later on. Don't just pick the highest commission. Look for a good balance. Gravity is a unique Clickbank metric that indicates how many different affiliates have earned a commission by promoting a particular product over the past 12 weeks. A higher gravity score, e.g. 50+, usually means the product is selling well and affiliates are having success with it. However, extremely high gravity products can also mean more competition. Now let's talk about traffic, getting people to see your affiliate link. Since we're focusing on free methods, we'll leverage content marketing, social media, and YouTube. The key is to provide value, build trust, and subtly introduce your affiliate offer. Content marketing involves creating valuable blog posts, articles, or even forums where you discuss topics related to your chosen product. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss ebook, you could write articles about healthy recipes, exercise tips, or overcoming common weight loss challenges. Embed your affiliate link naturally within the content. Social media is a powerful free traffic source. Create dedicated pages or groups on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest. Share valuable tips, engaging visuals, and answer questions related to your niche. Don't just spam your link. Instead, build a community around your product solution. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. YouTube marketing is highly effective. Create review videos of the products you're promoting, or create informational videos around the problem your product solves. For example, if you're promoting a gardening course, create videos on basic gardening tips. Include your affiliate link in the video description. This builds trust and positions you as an expert. Regardless of the traffic method you choose, building an audience and fostering trust is paramount. People are more likely to buy from someone they trust. Be consistent in providing value, be authentic, and engage with your audience. Answer their questions, address their concerns, and show that you genuinely care about helping them. The core of successful affiliate marketing, especially with free methods, is providing immense value. Don't just promote a product, provide solutions to your audience's problems. Share insights, tips, tutorials, and genuine reviews. The more helpful you are, the more likely people will trust your recommendations and click on your links. Even with free methods, building an email list is a game changer. It allows you to communicate directly with your audience, build deeper relationships, and promote products repeatedly. You can use free email marketing services like MailChimp or ConvertKit for smaller lists to get started. Offer a freebie, like an ebook or checklist, in exchange for their email address. Once you have traffic and an audience, the next step is optimizing for conversions. This means making it as easy as possible for people to click your affiliate link and purchase the product. Your content should naturally lead them to the solution, which is your affiliate product. Writing compelling copy means clearly articulating the benefits of the product and how it solves a problem. Focus on the what's in it for them rather than just features. Your calls to action should be clear and persuasive, like, click here to learn more and transform your health, or get instant access to the course and start your journey today. And there you have it. We've covered setting up your Clickbank account, finding profitable products, generating free traffic through content, social media, and YouTube, building an audience and trust, and optimizing for conversions. It takes consistency and effort, but by following these steps, you can start making money on Clickbank for free. Keep learning, keep creating, and you'll see results. Good luck on your affiliate marketing journey.